Yo.
Okay, today we'll be talking about Newton's second law, which states the acceleration produced by a net force on an object is directly proportional to the magnitude of the net force. It moves in the same direction as the net force and is inversely proportional to the mass of the object. Or, in equation form, acceleration equals net force over mass, where A equals F over M.
When a force is applied to an empty office chair, it accelerates rather quickly. However, when the same force is applied to the chair, but with added weight, the acceleration is much slower.
Yo.
Now we're going to be talking about friction. The amount of friction depends on the materials being used and how the objects come into
And we're
contact.
recording.
An example of this is when I place this car on the ramp and let it slide down, it will move easily along the smooth
And we're
surface.
recording.
Now, when I put this cloth down, the car moves much slower and with more difficulty, and it comes to a stop because of the force of friction. Now we're going to talk about pressure. Pressure is the force per surface area where the force is normal to the surface. This is measured in pascals. An example of force is when I set this pencil down and it occupies this surface area. I apply force to the pencil and the paper is able to support it. However, when I place the pencil point down, it is occupying a much smaller surface area, and when the same force is applied, it goes through.